going on, guys? So I am fixing up this Suzuki bike right here, and the tank was completely messed up. I'll put pictures up. I had to do a whole bunch of Bondo on it, and so anyways, I did that, and then I did a couple layers of this and sanded it and redid it a few times. I tried to make it come out good. It didn't come out as good as I want, but now I'm putting this stuff on. And I just put the first layer on. Here you can kind of see it. You can't see it here too well because they're kind of in the shade, but this is just after one coat. You can see right here, there's a little bit. I didn't make it quite as nice, but this side here, this whole side was caved right in. So I did pretty good on this side. Okay, it's been about maybe 15, 20 minutes. Just gonna mix up the can here. Apply my second coat. So this is it after one. Honestly, you could leave it. It looks really nice. Like, it would be cool just like that if you liked it darker. I'm going for a little bit lighter, so I'm just gonna do at least 2 more, I think. But here, I'm gonna put the camera down so I can actually do this good. Okay, this is after 2 coats. I'm doing them fairly heavy. I think you're supposed to do them a little lighter, but it looks pretty good. And then you can see the purples on this side. And when you come here, it looks purple on both. Okay, this is 3 coats. You can see it here, how nice it is. I'll turn it here. Nice and shiny. This side here, this is the side I didn't get quite as smooth. You can still see that little indent there. But for a free bike, I don't really care. This looks pretty sick. The bike was like completely, I literally found this bike in the bush, like grass growing through it, no spark plug in it, no electric starting. The motor was full of water. So I had to get a whole new stator, whole new everything, new headlight. I did a lot of work on this thing, but it's free. So I figured I'd at least try to make it look kind of cool. I wish I would have done a little bit better job, but it's okay. Okay, this will be about 5 or 6 coats now. You can really see the purple from this side. It's starting to look really, really good. Okay, so I did a total of 6 coats. For some reason, there was a couple little hairs fell on it, so I had to pluck them off and then cover it. But luckily, there's no mark from either one of them. You can see the color shift works quite well. I think it looks really good. I can't wait to take it outside and see like how it looks out in the sun. So the next step is to use, normally you'd get a 2K with like the pop top bottom thing and it mixes inside the can. I couldn't find any. This was still $45. 1K clear extreme gloss finish. I'm sure it'll probably be fine. If I ever notice the clear coat is not good, I will redo this and put on some 2K. But, because I honestly, if I ever am that worried about it, there's a couple little spots that I would like to fix a little bit better on the thing. And then redo the whole thing. But for now, this is going to be good. It's going on a free bike, like I said, so it's going to look pretty good. So yeah, anyways, I just got to let this dry. It's only been a few minutes since I put the final coat on. Yeah, and just kind of ignore that stuff. That's just there. The brackets for the Suzuki badge is under that, so I'm trying not to fill in the holes. I ended up filling in most of the holes, so now it looks ugly, but the badge goes over that, so that won't matter. Okay, this is after 2 clear coats. I'm gonna do 1 more, but it looks quite good. I'm very happy with it. Okay, and there we have it. This Dupli-Color SHIFT, purple green. I got my 3rd layer of clear coat on here. It looks really good. I'm happy with it. I can't wait to get it out in the sun and see what it really looks like. Anyways, I would definitely use this stuff again. I think I'd like to try the purple blue. I was gonna do the purple blue. It's like a dark blue purple. But this green, this like emerald green looks crazy. Looks so good. And the purple. I love it. I would definitely recommend it.